In this video we will show you how to download, install and activate Kaspersky Premium. First of all, let's download Kaspersky Premium, download link provided in description. Once file is downloaded, open the file. Kaspersky Premium installation setup will now start. Please read on-screen instructions and keep hitting next. Once installation is complete, you will be asked for your activation code. Your Kaspersky Premium is now activated. You can also scan this QR code to install Kaspersky on your smartphone.